Management channel, and today we are live. This is the first live I am doing, so do let me know if there are any glitches and if there are any issues. So there are a couple of things that I wanted to discuss in today's live, and let me discuss them one by one. The first thing that I wanted to do is to thank all of the viewers who have supported this channel and who have subscribed to this channel, who have given their support, and the channel is growing fast. We are getting very tremendous response from all the viewers, and people are liking the show. People are interested in what is coming next. So this is a great sense of encouragement for me. And I would also like to thank all the guests who have appeared on the podcast. It is because of those very interesting guests with a strong sense of backgrounds and their knowledge that comes out into the discussions, and it keeps the audiences engaged. So thanks to all the guests, thanks to all the viewers. One simple request I have is, like, all of the people who are watching this podcast, please consider subscribing, because that gives a big boost to us, the creators, because we know that you are more engaged, and whenever the new episodes will come, right, if you have subscribed to it, you will get a notification and you will be able to see the episodes on time. Okay. Another thing that I am trying to do is to build some kind of predictability into the system. What it means is, basically, I will be coming live. I will be coming live every Wednesday at 12 p.m. That's one thing. And the episodes of podcasts that I will be uploading, they will also follow a schedule. So the schedule that I am going to follow is, every Tuesday and every Saturday morning I will be uploading one podcast. Okay. So if you are you have subscribed and you have set up notification, you will get a notification every Tuesday and every Saturday morning. There will be one podcast uploaded. That's the schedule that I will be following going forward. Okay, so this will keep the system predictable. I was uploading around 2 episodes anyway per week, but the schedule was not fixed, so it was slightly random. But now I will try to stick to the schedules. Okay, so 3 things: every Tuesday one podcast, every Saturday one podcast, and every Wednesday I will be coming live at 12 p.m. Okay, so if you have any questions, feedbacks, queries, right, you can post me on LinkedIn, or you can directly comment in the YouTube. I check the YouTube comments regularly, so that I can answer those questions here. Okay, I can address any concerns or any questions or anything that you want to know. Now, coming to the other discussion that I wanted to do is, I have made a slight change in the name of the channel. So earlier the channel was Better Engineering Management. I have renamed it to Better Engineering and Management. Okay, Better Engineering and Management. There is no major reason. The reason is simply that engineering topics and management topics are slightly different topics. So calling it engineering management topic was not giving the correct picture. And since I am covering both engineering and management on this channel, I thought this name will be better and it will convey the message more clearly, right? So that's one thing that I have done. So what else? What next for this channel, right? That's another thing that I wanted to discuss. So next thing that you will be seeing is a lot of awesome content on trending topics in engineering. So if you are following this channel from some time, you will know that we discuss a lot regarding AI, that is artificial intelligence. That discussions will go on. We will be going deeper into those topics. So we will be discussing topics like generative AI, how it impacts the business use cases. That is always our focus. So instead of just going deep into technology, we would also like to discuss the impact, business use cases of that can be disrupted by a particular technology. So if you are a founder of a company, or you are a tech lead and you want to know whether you should invest into certain technologies or not, these discussions should help you there. And so we will be giving you a top level overview of the technologies, as well as we will be going slightly deeper into those technologies in the coming podcasts. Okay. Apart from that, we are also discussing a lot of content creation, particularly using AI. So we will be discussing how you can leverage AI to create a lot of interesting content, lot of content regarding sales, marketing and branding, and how you can use storytelling. So those things also you will be seeing in the coming episodes. Apart from that, you will also see a lot of regular episodes on coaching. Okay, so coaching, that is team management, is one area that is very close to me, and I will kind of keep on discussing those topics. So if you guys might have seen Gulshan Walia and Jyoti Gopalan joining us on the podcast, and both of them had a very engaging discussion on how you can be a great manager, be a great leader, how you can have empathy in your discussions with the teams, and how you can grow in your career if you are feeling stuck, confused. So those kind of discussions also we have done. They will continue, and we will try to cover many difficult and complex topics and kind of simplify them. One of the priorities of this channel is to simplify difficult topics like generative AI. So we will be simplifying those topics so that you can understand them and utilize them. And that's all that I had to on my mind that I wanted to discuss. Feel free to drop your comments, questions, either on YouTube channel or on my LinkedIn DM or on the posts. I will collect all those questions and address them. And as I mentioned, remain subscribed, and you will be seeing new podcasts coming every Tuesday, every Saturday. And also one more thing that we will be discussing is how to use or leverage technology to impact people. That is not just professionals or engineers or software people, but let's say underprivileged people, right? How can technology benefit those people who need it the most? So that is also one area that we are going to cover in upcoming podcasts. And kind of be subscribed to kind of view those podcasts. Some of them are already recorded, but they are under editing, so they will be coming live soon, and some are still under discussions. Okay, so that's also coming up. And apart from that, I would like to thank some of our very interesting guests. You guys must have seen the storytelling podcast by Brianna Blessé, which was really awesome. If you have not checked it, I would suggest check it right now. There is great insights in that, how branding works, how storytelling works, how storytelling can be really impactful. And then another podcast on branding by Ambika Patil. A must watch episode in my mind is by Gulshan Walia, where she has discussed at great length how you can use empathy in your regular team management. You should definitely not miss that podcast. And then there are many podcasts on AI. I have discussed with Mohit Shukla, Ankur Oberoi, and there are some podcasts with my friends like Chaitanya Ramavachal, Prateek Singh, on how to do better team management, how to manage lots of data. So all those topics are live already. Please go and subscribe to the channel and watch those podcasts. Please give your feedbacks actively. I will try to address them. And once again, thanks to all of you who have subscribed, who have given your feedbacks. This channel has got some very tremendous response. Believe me, this is one very fast growing channel. People are really enjoying the content, and I don't know how to thank you guys enough, but this has been a great sense of encouragement for me, all the feedback that I have got. Thanks to all of you. Let's meet again on another podcast. Okay, thank you.